Hello Glamazons, it's me and this is going to be a haul video. This is not a jewelry haul, that will be the next video, so stay tuned. And so let's just get started. I'm gonna have to hold the light, so this is gonna be one-handed. Well, here I have this Wander Beauty highlighter. Let me open it up for you. Look at that. So pretty. So there's that. And I just want to show you guys this stuff so I can put it away. I have a Hershey Kisses lip balm. I've been dying to use some of this stuff, so I'm like, let me film this video. I have these 3-second eyelash magnetic lashes. So look at that. There's 3 sets. And I hope they look good. We shall see. I mean, they don't look big enough, but we shall see. I got this dual set of body wash. Caress Shower Foam. And again, I like to put this stuff away. I hope you all have been well. I've just been so busy. I'm trying to crank out some videos this weekend. I am waiting on 2 more pieces of jewelry from Nicole, but we shall see. This is St. Ives Shower Gel. I love this one. The Renew and the Purify. I love the scent, and you really do feel the salt in there to exfoliate. So that's there. Excuse the kitten scratches. Look at that. She really likes to play rough. And yes, Nacho turned out to be a girl. So I have a little girl. She's a girl. She just looked like a boy. Here I have some tea. This is hibiscus with tropical fruits. So I have not tried that yet. I love tea. So I'm excited to try that. Let's see here. I have this Revlon set. We got the exfoliating scrub, and then we've got the tinted lip balm. I just thought this would be really pretty. I like the idea of an exfoliator in a stick. So that's cool. Very cool. These I have 2 of. I bought 2 packs of beauty sponges. So there's 24 sponges in each pack. So that's 1. Oops, as I knock you guys over, sorry. And then here is the 2nd pack of sponges. So I got a great deal on those, and I use them for my makeup every day. Let's see. Here I have the LA Girl Pro Color Kit. So you use this to change your foundation. You can make it lighter, darker, warmer. And it's got the little mixing tray and spatula there. So I'm excited to try that because, you know, it's winter. So my foundation has been a little off because my skin has gotten a little bit paler. So yeah. Here I have this essential oil set. So that's nice. I have, let me see, 3 humidifier diffusers in my house, and then I have a little mini one at work, which I also bought a massage chair, and I bought a vertical mountain climber for my house. Maybe I'll show you guys that another time, but the massage chair is at work. Follow me on Instagram if you want to be updated with that. Here I bought this L'Oreal lipstick. Look at that color there. It's in Crush. So I thought that was pretty. This is a CoverGirl lipstick, liquid lipstick. Let me see, this one is, it doesn't say. Oh wait, 720 Craving. Okay, so this one's in Craving. This gorgeous one, look at it. It's electric. It is also CoverGirl. And this one is, does it say? Fruitylicious. So that's Fruitylicious. Then I have these Physicians Formula Argan Oil lip glosses. Again, it's wintertime. Everything is getting dry and chapped. So, yeah. And then this cool thing here, I bought this Ionic facial steamer. So, I figured why not? And so that's another reason why I wanted to hurry up and film this so I can actually try this stuff and put it away. And I can't remember if I showed you guys these, but I have the Revolution Roxy palette. I think I showed you guys this stuff in another video. Let me open this up quickly. I've been using this. So there's that palette. I've been using that. That was a gift. And I can't remember if I showed you guys, but I have the Urban Decay Naked Honey palette. I have the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette. You guys know I like to do my makeup. And I have the Urban Decay Naked Heat. Let me see if I can open these up. I just don't want to blind you guys. I have not used Heat. This is Naked Heat, beautiful colors. Have not used that yet. I have not used Naked Cherry yet as well. That's Naked Cherry. Gorgeous colors. But I have been using Naked Honey. I haven't tried every single color, but I have been using the Naked Honey palette. So, yeah, I've been using that one a lot. And so that's it. Up next, I have a jewelry haul. I am waiting on 2 pieces of jewelry from Nicole, but I think I will film the haul anyway. So, okay, Glamazons, I will see you in a few. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, Glamazons.